Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to leave a Slack channel. So let's get started. Open Slack and navigate to the channel you wish to leave. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to leave the channel. Once in the channel, click on the channel name to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Leave Channel or Leave Channel Name. Slack will ask for confirmation before removing you from the channel. Confirm your decision to leave the channel by clicking Yes or Leave Channel or a similar option. After confirming, Slack will remove you from the channel. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.